Tuesday, July the 26th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. What a scorcher yesterday across the region. Another hot one on tap for today. There's a look from the Avalon Pier web camera there at Kill Devil Hills early this morning. The temperature there stands at 80. That's a 5 o'clock hour temperature. Very warm all across the region this morning. Downright hot yesterday in many spots. Really, the core of the heat in the southeast kind of focused from Georgia up through the Carolinas yesterday. Look at these numbers across the Carolinas. 98 the high in Columbia, Charlotte, and Greensboro. 97 in Fayetteville, even up in Asheville there at elevation. It was 91. 96 up in Richmond, Virginia, specifically in the Triad viewing area, mid and upper 90s. 98 in Reidsville, and 97 in Mount Airy and Burlington. Charlotte viewing area, a lot of us up into the upper 90s there. 98 in Gastonia, Charlotte Airport 98, Monroe 98. Just a hot day all across the region yesterday. Temperature is very warm still at this early morning hour, well into the 70s in most spots, even 81 in Cape Hatteras. And here you go, dew points. They are still up there. A lot of folks 70 or better for those dew point temperatures this morning. Very sticky, humid conditions still in place this morning. As expected, not a whole lot in the way of showers and storms yesterday. Kind of a limited coverage once you got outside of the mountains in the upstate. But a little better chance for storms today. Now, certainly your biggest severe weather issues yesterday focused off to the north, up here in the northeastern part of the country. But again, a little better chance today of some scattered thunderstorms. Now, at the moment, radar quiet across the Carolinas, really nothing happening, and really across the region, it's pretty quiet here as we start off this Tuesday morning. But a little better chance today for some storms developing on in. Here's what it looks like. That frontal boundary a little closer to us, allowing for some disturbances to track close enough to us that it should help promote the development of some scattered thunderstorms. So I will go with that idea, some scattered storms this afternoon. Here's the latest run of the high-resolution modeling. And again, that scattered thunderstorm chance will be with us mid-afternoon into the evening hours. Severe weather outlook. Not a massive threat of severe weather today, but certainly a setup where a few storms could be strong to severe this afternoon and this evening. Otherwise, a hot day. There you go. It's going to be another scorcher across the region, and then you factor in the humidity. You have heat index values over 105 in parts of eastern North Carolina. That's where you have a heat advisory in effect again today. And here are your potential heat index values from Futurecast, the RPM modeling, and notice those values up over 105 in some portions of eastern North Carolina. Probably a lot of the Triad viewing area, a little shy of that, but certainly getting up over 100 for some of those heat indices this afternoon. 90s for the highs today, down to the 70s for lows tonight. Tomorrow, again, some scattered thunderstorms on tap. It's going to be another hot day. There's your Wednesday highs across the region, still very steamy, and Thursday more the same. Again, some scattered thunderstorms a possibility. And again, the heat continuing. There's your Thursday high temperatures. Now, maybe over the weekend, as this trough tries to approach, the temperatures back down a few degrees, and we continue to have the chance of some scattered storms, but nothing cool per se at all in the forecast. It is still as quiet as can be across the Atlantic Basin. No sign of any tropical development. And here's a big reason why. Just a lot of dry air all across a whole lot of the Atlantic Basin. That's suppressing any tropical development. It's not a favorable setup at this point to get any Atlantic Basin tropical systems. Now, a different story in the Eastern Pacific has been very active, including Hurricane Georgette, which is pretty intense and is now weakening, and it will continue to weaken at a pretty rapid pace. Now, here's the upper level map off the European model today. There's your ridge over the southeast. It backs down to the south just a little bit, and there's your trough trying to ease in here Friday and into the weekend. So let's take you through the mapping here. This is this afternoon on the GFS. Some scattered thunderstorms is certainly a possibility. Now, this is tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and then Wednesday evening. Again, a few scattered storms. Thursday, same deal. Friday and Friday evening. Here's Saturday. Here's Sunday. Here's Monday. You get the idea. That scattered opportunity for thunderstorms continues. And there's Tuesday as well. So looks like summertime, heat, humidity, and some scattered storms. And hey, one final note for you. Hey, tonight I am going to be once again out at Charlotte Motor Speedway participating in the Media Mayhem bus race, school bus race. I've been to this event a number of times. I've won it before. There's a photo from when I won this event before. Always a lot of fun. So I'd encourage you to head on out to the Charlotte Motor Speedway this evening. You have the legend cars, the bandoleros, all that good stuff going on. And, of course, we'll race those school buses for a lot of fun as well this evening. So come on out. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day. Stay cool, and God bless.